Here it is, the most powerful Camaro SS you can buy in Canada. That's right. This is the Callaway SC630 Camaro LT1 2020, brand spanking new. It was delivered from the Lansing GM plant right here to Callaway, and now it's ready to be shipped to Wilson-Niblett Chevrolet, Ontario Providence, Canada. Brand new, beautiful in black. This is a true sleeper. The Camaro LT1 with the 6-speed transmission, Brembo Brakes, and now 630 horsepower popping through the hood. That's right, the Callaway Supercharger pops right through the hood. So much power, retains the full factory warranty. That is beautiful. You can drive this car while you're behind the driver's seat. Look out over the steering wheel. You can see your engine, and you got 630 horsepower into your right foot, and you know you've retained the full factory warranty. You can come and get it. Wilson-Niblett Chevrolet, Ontario, Canada.
This supercharged Callaway Camaro 2020 LT1 is on its way to Wilson-Niblett Chevrolet. Call them today.